Okay, so let's go ahead and start your homework. So the very first thing says for problems 1 through 8, the directions say graph each equation, find the axis of symmetry, and graph the equation by finding the following. Okay, so here we go. Y equals 2/3 x plus 4 plus 6. This is going to be number 3. Y equals 2/3 x minus 4 plus 6. So what is my slope? My slope is going to be this value right here, which is 2/3. 2/3 means it's positive, which means it's up 2, left and right 3. It is going to open up, creating a valley, and that valley has a minimum to it. Okay? That valley has a minimum to it. Sorry, guys. Now your vertex, now remember your vertex is going to go the opposite of what you see there. The opposite of that is going to be positive 4, and then I'm going to take for face value the plus 6, so that gives me a 6. So my vertex is going to be 4, 6. Now from there, I'm going to go ahead and graph the vertex 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. Now we said that this is going to be a minimum, so I'm going to write minimum below it, and then we're going to use our slope, which is 2/3. And if our slope is 2/3, we said up 2, left and right 3. So from there, up 2, 1, 2, 3 units to the right. Up 2, 1, 2, 3 units to the right. Okay, that is the right side of the arm. So let's do the left side of the arm. So up 2 units and 1, 2, 3 to the left. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 to the left. And there we go. There is your lovely absolute value graph. My axis of symmetry goes straight down my vertex. And my axis of symmetry, we understand it to be, x is equal to 4, okay? Next, number 8. Number 8. Number 8, my slope is right here. That's -3. That means I'm going to go down 3 units and left and right 1, which means this thing is going to open down and it is a mountain, and my mountain now has a maximum. Vertex is found by taking the opposite of this -2, which is going to be +2, and then taking this entire number, which is 3. So I'm going to go to 2, 3 on my graph, 2, 3, and we know that this thing is a maximum point, so I write maximum above it, and I'm going to do everything below it now. So this is a -3 is my slope. So I'm going to go down 3 units into the right one, down 3 units into the right one, down 3 units into the right one. I'm going to do exactly the same thing for the other side. Down 3 units into the left one, down 3 units to the left one, down 3 units to the left one. I'm going to simply draw my mountain, and my axis of symmetry goes straight down the middle. Okay? Axis of symmetry here is going to be x equals, this value right here is the number 2. And that is how you do problems 1 through 8. Now, let's do problems 9 through 12. 9 through 12 is exactly the same philosophy, except for we're going backwards. So if we're going backwards, the very first thing I want your brain to find is going to be the vertex. The vertex is right here, and we know that to be 1, 2. It's going to the right 2 units, and it's going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4 units, so -4. Okay, so that's my vertex. And then A equals M, which is your rise over your run. I even put that in there for you. So I'm going to choose any point that I can clearly see crosses the crosshairs, okay? Intersects the crosshairs. So I'm going to rise up 1, 2, 3 units, and then I'm going to run to the right 1 unit. Since it has a minimum value, it's a valley, that means my A value must remain +3. So I'm going to write down my equation. And I have y is equal to A is 3, x minus a 2, minus a -4. And this is your equation, and you are done. That is tonight's homework. Please check your answers as you go along. I'm probably just going to put the final equation on the answers for 9 through 12. I'm not going to fill in the entire worksheet. That is for you to do. Okay, if you need any help, please let me know.